Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the step-by-step process of resolving Bluevine business account balance discrepancies. Efficiently and effectively, welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the step-by-step process of resolving Bluevine business account balance discrepancies. Efficiently and effectively. Managing your business finances smoothly on Bluevine is crucial, but occasionally, you might notice your account balance not matching your expectations or transaction history. Here's a professional guide to help you fix these discrepancies so your business banking experience stays seamless. Step 1. Log into your Bluevine business account and carefully review all recent transactions. Cross-check these transactions with your own records, including invoices, receipts, and payment confirmations. Step 2. Identify any transactions that appear incorrect, duplicated, or missing from your account. Note down the dates, amounts, and any reference numbers provided in the transaction details. Step 3. Access your account statements for the disputed period and download a PDF version for your records. Having an official statement helps with verification in later steps. Step 4. Contact Bluevine's customer support directly through their secure messaging system or phone line. Provide a clear, concise summary of your findings, highlighting the exact discrepancies and attaching screenshots or documents as evidence. Step 5. Keep a detailed log of all communications with Bluevine support, including dates, names of representatives spoken to, and the solutions they propose. Stay polite but firm in requesting timely resolution. Step 6. Monitor your account daily after reporting and verify if the balance has been corrected or if any pending adjustments are reflected. Step 7. If the issue persists beyond a reasonable time frame, escalate the matter to Bluevine's higher-level support or file a formal complaint following their business dispute resolution procedures. Step 8. Meanwhile, keep your records updated and consider using accounting software that integrates with Bluevine to minimize human errors and track your finances more accurately. Step 9. Once the discrepancy is resolved, request a final statement to confirm the corrected balance and ensure your business records are fully aligned. Step 10. Regularly audit your account at least monthly to catch any future issues early and maintain smooth, transparent financial management. Fixing balance discrepancies in a Bluevine business account might seem overwhelming at first, but following these structured steps helps you regain control of your business finances confidently and efficiently. Don't let financial record errors slow your business growth. Act quickly, be organized, and keep detailed records for the best results. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more valuable business banking tips and troubleshooting tactics.